Hello, Nomad Sculpt and a straight lines brush. Okay, I go to the Nomad app and I selected the line brush, and you can draw lines like this. It's possible to make it bigger, like this. And you can change the intensity. And it's also possible to change the stroke type. In this case, it's a rectangular stroke. And let's try this. It's got such a shape. And you can change it to this. And let's try another one. I go back to this one. And you can adjust the radius and reduce the intensity. And then you get a round line. Yes, it works like this. Okay, you need alphas for this, and the setting. Okay, this is the alpha, and you can set the tiling, and the more you tile it, the smaller it gets. You can also adjust the alpha. This line is a little bit bigger, and you can change the intensity, and you can do things like this. And the brush settings are, the alpha is like this. The tiling, I told you. And the fall off, use always the flat fall off. Stroke spacing is 0 because you grab dynamic radius. And what's another important thing? Front vertex only. This setting is very useful. And I set the pressure settings to flat. Okay. I think I'm packing the brush and the alphas in a zip file and give a link on it, perhaps. Yes, if you need it or not. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.